Hey real estate enthusiasts and future property moguls. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about empowering you with the knowledge you need to create wealth and financial freedom. Today's episode is a game changer as we delve into the exciting world of rental real estate. So, whether you are dreaming of becoming a real estate tycoon or just want to generate passive income through property investments, you're in for a treat. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clear roadmap to building wealth through rental real estate. Before we dive into the strategies, let's quickly recap why rental real estate is a powerhouse for passive income. Benefits of rental real estate. Rental real estate isn't just about bricks and mortar, it's about financial growth and security. Here's why it's a fantastic investment. 1. Steady income. Rental properties generate consistent monthly income, giving you financial stability. 2. Appreciation. Property values tend to increase over time, boosting your net worth. 3. Leverage. Real estate allows you to use other people's money, financing, to grow your portfolio. 4. Tax advantages. Enjoy deductions on mortgage interest, property taxes, and more. 5. Hedge against inflation. Rents tend to rise with inflation, protecting your purchasing power. Strategies for successful rental real estate. Now that we're all motivated, let's explore some rock-solid strategies to excel in rental real estate. 1. Property selection. It all begins with choosing the right property. Focus on locations with strong rental demand, amenities, and proximity to essential services like schools and transportation. A mix of property types, such as single-family homes, duplexes, or even multi-unit complexes, can diversify your portfolio. 2. Crunching the numbers. Never skip this step. Calculate potential rental income and operating expenses accurately. This includes mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, maintenance costs, and vacancies. Positive cash flow is key, so ensure your rental income exceeds your expenses. 3. Professional property management. If you're looking for true hands-off passive income, consider hiring a property management company. They handle tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance, and even property marketing, saving you time and stress. 4. Tenant relations. Happy tenants mean a smoother journey. Treat your tenants fairly, address their concerns promptly, and maintain open communication. A happy tenant is more likely to stay longer, reducing turnover costs. 5. Long-term vision. Rental real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on the long-term appreciation potential. As property values rise, your equity grows, allowing you to leverage for more investments or even sell for substantial profits. Actionable steps. Ready to jump into rental real estate? Here are some actionable steps to get you started on the right foot. 1. Market research. Research local real estate markets extensively. Start by focusing on the geographic areas you're interested in. Research the neighborhoods, cities, or regions where you are considering investing. Look into factors such as population growth, job opportunities, and overall economic health. Websites, local newspapers, and government reports can provide valuable data. Understand rent trends, property values, and economic indicators. Dig into historical rent trends to gauge whether rents are rising, stable, or declining. Analyze property values over the years to identify if the market has been appreciating or depreciating. Economic indicators like unemployment rates, job growth, and local industries can influence rental demand. Use online real estate platforms, local real estate associations, and property management companies to gather data and insights about the local market. 2. Financing options. Explore financing options like traditional mortgages or even private lending. Research the various types of financing available for real estate investments. Private lending or hard money loans can be useful if you're looking to act quickly or if traditional financing is not feasible. Calculate how much you can afford and get pre-approved to strengthen your negotiating power. Use online mortgage calculators to estimate monthly payments based on the property price and interest rates. Factor in other costs like property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage not only helps you understand your budget but also gives you an advantage when negotiating with sellers, showing them you're a serious buyer. Consult with mortgage brokers or lenders to explore your financing options and get pre-approved. 3. Networking. Attend real estate meetups, workshops, and conferences. Search for local real estate networking events, workshops, seminars, and conferences. Attend these events to meet other real estate enthusiasts, investors, professionals, and potential mentors. Networking is a valuable way to learn from experienced individuals and gain insights into the local market. Networking can help you find mentors, partners, and potential deals you might not have discovered otherwise. Engage in conversations, exchange contact information, and build relationships with individuals who have experience in the real estate industry. Mentors can provide guidance and advice, while partners can collaborate on investments. Networking can also lead to potential deals through word-of-mouth referrals. 4. Due diligence. Before sealing the deal, conduct thorough property inspections. Never skip property inspections. Engage professional inspectors to assess the property's condition, including its structural integrity, electrical and plumbing systems, and any potential issues. This step ensures you're aware of any necessary repairs before finalizing the purchase. Identify potential issues that might impact your investment's profitability and negotiate repairs if needed. Review the inspection report carefully. If issues arise, discuss with the seller. You can negotiate repairs or price reductions based on the findings. Ensuring the property is in good condition protects your investment's profitability in the long run. Work with experienced real estate agents and inspectors to ensure a thorough due diligence process. 5. Take the plunge. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. It's time to take the plunge into the world of rental real estate. It's natural to feel a mix of excitement and apprehension, but remember that every successful real estate investor started with their first property. By conducting proper research, networking, and due diligence, you are setting yourself up for success. Embrace the learning curve and take that first step towards building your rental real estate portfolio. Remember that learning from your experiences and adapting your strategies along the way is an integral part of becoming a successful real estate investor. And there you have it, our deep dive into rental real estate, a powerful tool for building wealth through property investments. From selecting the right properties to managing tenants and watching your equity grow, you're now armed with the knowledge to start your journey towards financial freedom. If you enjoyed this episode, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with fellow aspiring investors. And as always, keep educating yourself, stay focused, and remember, your journey to passive income begins with your first rental property.